In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to your GoDaddy account. We'll go through the process from start to finish in a simple and clear way, so you can confidently give someone access to help manage your account without handing over your own login details. This is especially useful if you're working with a team member, a developer, or someone helping you manage your domain settings. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your Profile section. This is typically where you can access account-related options and settings. Click on your profile to open the menu. From there, select My Products. This section contains the products and services connected to your GoDaddy account, including domains, hosting, and other tools you may be using. Once you're in My Products, find and click Domains. This will take you to the area where your domain names are listed and managed. Next, choose DNS for the domain you want to work with. The DNS section is where domain-related records and configurations are managed. So this is an important area if you're giving someone access for technical updates or maintenance. After opening the DNS page, look for Settings and click on it. Inside Settings, find the option for Delegate Access. This feature allows you to invite another person to access parts of your GoDaddy account in a controlled way. It's a safer option than sharing your password, because you can decide what level of access they should have. Now click Invite Access. You'll be asked to enter the person's name and email address. As you fill this in, make sure the information is accurate, since the invitation will be sent to that email. You'll also need to select an access level. Take a moment here to choose the right permission level based on what that person needs to do. If they only need limited access, avoid giving more permissions than necessary. Once everything is entered and the access level is selected, click Invite. That sends the invitation to the user, and they'll be able to accept it and gain access according to the permissions you assigned. And that's it. You've successfully invited a user to your GoDaddy account. If you ever need to review or change their access later, you can return to the same delegate access area in your settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.